What's up, guys? So today's just going to be a short follow-up video of the boat and how she does at the lake. Before I even head out there, I'm going to hook it up to the water muffs and see how she does in the garage. Alright, let's put the key in and see what happens. Try it again. Alright guys, this time I'm going to try adjusting the carbs a little bit. I'm going to pull these pilot screws out about a half a turn. Try it again. So I had it idling about 10 minutes or so. It didn't cut out that whole time. So yeah, if it's cutting out like that, you might have your pilot screws screwed in too far. So let me show you what I'm talking about. These screws right here on the carbs that we put in, they're the pilot screws, and I believe mine were turning too far, so it was just cutting off fuel to the carbs actually. So I just pulled those out about a half a turn or so, and now I haven't had any issues since. So now I'm going to head out to the lake and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, let's see what happens. Now something that's different here than out at the house, the exhaust is down in the water, so you're going to have some back pressure going on, and you might have to make some adjustments to your idle. But I got it in gear, going really slow, just see how she does there. A lot of times you'll have stalling at that times where you have to adjust the idle. gonna lower down the trim. All right, see what happens. So first run, she did pretty good. I'm gonna let it idle for a second, see how she does there. Kind of putt it around a little bit, see how she does there, and then we'll take off again. So right now I got it in gear, but at the lowest RPM that I can put it. I'm just gonna see if it'll try to stall, so I can adjust the idle. If anything, right here is a switch. You can press this up and it'll actually raise the idle in situations like this. And I guess you got to be in neutral to do that, but so I might just have to adjust the idle, since it's running about 500 RPM. So I like to see that up maybe around 8. So she's doing pretty good at idle. She's doing all right in gear at low RPMs. I'm just gonna kill it for a second, and I'll start it back up and we'll take off again and see what it does. All right, trim down. So I've been ripping around this lake for a little bit now and haven't had any issues yet. Of course, I'm a little bit low on gas, so I'm going to go back in. My real issue back before I had these problems were after I was stopped for a while and fishing, and then I went to go take off again, so I didn't really get a chance to test that. But so far, I'm pretty happy with the performance. No issues, and I hope these videos helped you out if you're having the same type of issue with the bogging down and stalling, not really sure what's going on. Definitely check into your fuel system, and if you got fuel going to those carbs, go ahead and rebuild those or clean them out, try something, and then go test it out. Alright guys, I appreciate you guys watching.